claiming they is somebody. You a gangster, but you rapping on pop songs. You sound a hot mess like some car alarms. Who the fuck said the South was wet? All you little rookies need to take it back. I got that nigga Pimp C's attitude. I'll eat you up, spit you out, nasty food. Put me up against some worthy competition. You a faker, I can tell. I ain't need no vision. Tell me this, why the law first on your speed dial? You ain't running nothing, you can't even run a mile. All you bitches talking about me make me proud. Can't nothing tear me down, that's why I'm still around. Your nigga wanna roll and post up with me, but I'm a pimp, so I'm charging a fee. I'm from that dirty, but I ain't curly like Shirley, I'm straight like paper lines. Good with my cheese like white wine. Other bitches worry about that dick. Me, I choose to spit real sick. Excuse the language and the grammar. I'm coming down harder than a hammer where you set, yeah. I stomp on you till you lay flat. Complaining you want the crown back. Your rhymes off like a skippy sack. Getting juice every single day. The life of pussy nigga gotta pay. Ain't gotta do a whole song, I spit a 16. The game been good to me, still I flow mean.